Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays and it's the Christmas edition hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. That is Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today we also have a special guest and the name of her channel is Style My Style. Her request today for the theme of our tablescape is black and gold. So I will be posting the links to these ladies' channels in the description box down below. Swing on by to their channels, give them a shout out, send them some love, let them know that Jean from Jean Home Decor and More sent you over. So let's take a look at Style My Style's request for black and gold. Let's look at my tablescape and what I have put together for a black and gold themed tablescape. I actually think that black and gold is a beautiful selection for today's tablescape. The black and gold theme is very classy, and it adds a special dressy touch to a holiday tablescape. What do you think? So I'll talk a little bit about this tablescape. I really don't have anything new on this tablescape. Actually, the newest thing that I have on here are these dessert or salad plates that I featured in a previous tablescape. I want to say maybe 3 weeks ago or so now. I got these beautiful salad or dessert plates. I picked those up from Home Goods. And I thought that this would be perfect for me to include them on this black and gold tablescape. I rolled my flatware up in a napkin. And to make this tablescape special, I've included a little box of mints for each of my guests. So to kind of give you a little bit of backdrop about, some of the items here on this tablescape, these little boxes, little treat boxes I call them, favor boxes. I got those last year from Michael's and I featured them in my New Year's Eve tablescape for New Year's Eve 2022. So you have to go back and check that out. And then I thought I would, add some feathers to a couple of my ornaments. So I had those. I thought that I would, put a few ornaments throughout the bottom, at the bottom of the tabletop trees, on top of the sequined runner. So really all I did here, guys, was kind of take these tabletop trees, because you've seen them before. I've, used them in previous tablescapes, and you've seen them in some of my decor. I just kind of move things around. I just brought those in here. Like I said, I took some ornaments from other places and I popped them on top of my sequin runner. And so, just kind of move some things around, shift it around to create a beautiful black and gold themed tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed this tablescape. I hope you think that it is, capturing Style My Style's requests for black and gold. And if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Today is Saturday. I know some of you guys are out there shopping, whether you're doing the brick and mortar stores or you're out there shopping online. You enjoy yourselves, be safe, have an amazing day. Happy holidays again. And until the next video,